All right, y'all, welcome back. Got a quick one for y'all. Hopefully it's easy, but we got a 16 Jeep Patriot. Customer saying they hearing noise from the back brakes. Apparently the brakes were done before, so somebody did it and now it's making noise, so we're just gonna see what's going on. So I test drove it to see if I can verify the complaint. I don't hear anything, but we know how cars are with brakes. Sometimes they might make the noise, sometimes they don't. This car got almost 31,000 miles, so it's fairly new. It's fairly new, so yeah, Jeep Patriot. So I'm gonna get out, let y'all see it real quick. Might as well, since I'm here, let y'all check it out. You know, Jeep Patriot. Pretty clean. Some customers keep the cars clean, some don't. But yeah, I don't hear nothing now, but you know, we pull the wheels off, we probably find something. You know, customers said they hear it, more than likely they hear it. Apparently the brakes that were done was it was the drum brakes in the back. Yeah, they did the drum brakes, so for all we know, it may be the front brakes making the noise now. You know, maybe the customer don't know that, they're just assuming that it's the back brakes again, because you know, he said it's only been like 1,000 miles or so since it's been done, so maybe he think it's just, you know, something's wrong with him. But it may be the front brakes now. He may need front brakes now. So I'm gonna get back to the shop real quick and see if I can find out what this noise is. Hopefully I can make it back and let you guys know what's up. But long story short though, like if I don't make it back, let y'all know. If y'all hear noise, don't assume it's one thing or another. Just have it looked at first, because you just be throwing parts at something that you don't even know what you're fixing. So just have it diagnosed right, and then you know, you'll be much better off that way. All right, y'all. I almost made it back to the shop, but I wanted to, you know what I mean, say something else real quick. Like this is a 2018, and other manufacturers do this too, but why are they still putting drum brakes on these cars? Like drum brakes, like they've been doing that shit since like the 1800s. Like, I just think that's kind of weird for these cars to be coming. I don't care how cheap the car is or how small the car is, like drum brakes, man, like, yeah, they work, that's why they still use it, but I mean, come on, they should have disc rotors on anything that come out right now. Anything that comes with brakes should have disc brakes, not drum brakes, you know what I mean? But y'all let me know how y'all feel about that though. All right, y'all, so customer denied the job on the brake job. He said he'll come back to get the brakes done. But from what I've seen, he does need front brakes. So he'll probably come back to get that, but he denied the work today, so it's all good. He'll be back, but at least we know what the problem is. And but again, never assume that, you know, never assume. Take a look at it, check it out, verify it, and go from there. So let me get this customer out of here so he can go, and we'll see him when he comes back.